Hi, it's me.
This is too much. So I'm on my way to get a package from Olga because she sent me some gifts and I'm very, very excited. So, and it's snowing, guys. That's what I'm biking in. Nice, huh? It's so amazing. Okay, Olga, see you soon. Okay. So I've got the package. The package is here. And I'm on my way home. Hi, it's me and I'm alive. And today's video is sponsored by Olga's Dreamland. Beautiful gift from Olga. And you're gonna hear lots of wows. Oh, wow. How could you know? How could you know, Olga? I don't get it. And this jewelry is from her, so go to her channel. You can post a purple heart under her latest video. She will love it. And I will love it because I'm forever grateful, and check her out. All the links are down below. She also check her Instagram. I will post her Instagram under because she's making beautiful handmade jewelry. One jewelry she made, I thought it was real flowers. But yes, I'm forever grateful, and I will now burn a little bit of resin incense and try that out while I'm potting up and putting in water all of these beautiful gifts. Just watch it, guys. So guys, let's cut to the case and open this pretty gift from Olga. And I have to unbutton because oh, it's hot. Outside is not. So let's do it. I hope you can see. So like this, and there's an address. We don't want that to be revealed. So me and Olga talked about different things, and we discovered that we like the same things, and I didn't know something she was using. And first, when you open, we have a, oh wow, look how beautiful card. She sent me some. I don't want to say she wrote a little bit, but I don't want to. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Wow, look at this. Oh, this is sage for smudging and, you know, for rituals and stuff. And another bit of, oh wow, this smells delicious. Oh, and what is this? Oregano from Greece. From what? This is pure oregano from the mountains in Greece. Oh my god. And I love spices because I cook lots of food. And oh, what is this? This is those pretty cacti. Oh, look, it's a pillowcase. I love it. It's gonna match perfectly in the living room. Why I'm so juicy. Look at this. No. Olga did what? Oh, and here we have seeds. It's basil, stapelia, datura. Oh wow, what is more? I want to see now. Oh, what is this? These seeds are looking amazing. What is this? Oh wow, look guys. What amazing seeds.
Oh wow, I love it. This summer gonna be best summer ever. Is it my boyfriend? Yeah. And oh no, what? This is for my boyfriend, and he got a necklace. Oh, he's gonna be happy. Oh, it's so beautiful. He's gonna have to open himself. Oh, thank you. Oh, this is Kalanchoe. This is plants. Oh wow, you are brave. These are pretty ones. Oh, I don't have this one. It's pretty nice with this reddish, come on, reddish leaves. Oh, I love that. We gonna do some potting. Crassula, Capitella, campfire. Oh, is this one from your latest video? Seriously? If this is, oh my god, I think this is campfire I saw on your latest video, and I was thinking, oh my god, I want one. And yes, yeah, oh my god. Oh my god, look guys, this, I was thinking, oh my god, this is a beautiful crassula, and I got it. Oh my god, thank you. I'm so excited. This is the name for it. Am I in focus even a little bit? No. Wow, you are so brave. I wanted to send you plants too, but it... Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oh my lord. Look at, guys. Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm speechless. Look. How beautiful are these? Oh my lord. These are so pretty. Oh my god. And what the best thing of it all is that I can't buy more plants, but I can receive more. Gifts are gifts. Oh my god, this is gonna be beautiful. Olga, you didn't have to. It's so overwhelming and so... Look, and this is this beautiful one. Oh no, your agave americana variegated one. It's much more beautiful variegation than mine. Oh wow. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. I'm so... And this is opuntia. Wow, this is amazing. I'm very careful with opuntias because opuntias are not my best friends. Because these are... Oh yeah, here it is, yes. Okay then, let me see. Oh, this is a beautiful one. I actually don't have one. Hey girl. And look how huge. Oh my god. This is too much. So amazing. I'm so, you know, oh god, I'm shaking. Oh my god. Oh, how strange is that? I was just talking about this plant, this Tradescantia purple, with my friend, and you are sending me one. Oh my god. So, oh, with seeds. What? This has so much big... Girl, I owe you big time. Wait. And this one is Porcura Afra. I have this one, but maybe this is the different variety, and it's extra special because it's from Olga. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, I love when they are so, you know, with the stem and then V-shaped. Beautiful. Oh my god, my boyfriend is on the way home. Spider plant. Oh yeah, I love these. These are really nice. And so big. Look at these roots. Oh my god. Look how big it is. I'm gonna have to plant this today. And oh, but this, oh my god. I can already feel the food with this fresh oregano. Sedum dendroideum. Don't mind. I'm so excited. Oh, look how beautiful these plants are. Look. And these juicy leaves with the shine on. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? This is amazing. Oh my god, it's even more. This is never ending. I really didn't expect this to be so big. Wow, wow, wow. And this is Sedum compressum. Oh, and I'm so much in sedums now because they are popping up in the stores everywhere. And look at this beauty. Oh, look, guys, just look. Oh, the leaves are so nice. Oh, please focus. Pretty. Amazing. Oh my god. So crazy. I don't really know. Ew, what too funny. Let me see if I know. Probably not. Oh, this is a spicy one. Ooh. Oh wow, look how cute. It has this soft, soft down growing, it's like a monkey tail or something. This one is beautiful and I don't have one. Oh my god, thank you. I love it. This will be my Olga's Dreamland, I don't know, name plants. I actually love it. Aloe juvenea. Oh wow, this is so many interesting plants. Jesus. Oh, these are so pretty. I saw this in the shop and I was so excited, but I never bought it. And Mother of Thousand Kalanchoe. Or is it? Oh, wrong side. Oh, this is the tiger one. Yeah, with this tigery. Let me show you it. Of course. Wait. Can you focus? Yeah, can you see this tiger stripes? I love it. Oh my god, you are amazing. And this is, as you can see, aloe. And there is a hint. It's Didi aloe. Oh my god, I love it, love it, love it. Oh, these are so pretty. So variegated. Maybe because you have so much more sun than I. Total darkness. It's a beautiful aloe. Thank you. I'm so overwhelmed. Oh gosh, I need to have a sippy. And this is Sedum sediforme. These sedums are actually good. They will make perfect arrangements. Oh god, this is so pretty. Oh lord. Look guys. Isn't that pretty? Love, love, love. Careful, big spines. Oh. Oh, punches. Uh-oh. Then we have to big spines. This is what I love the most, especially a quincy one. Woo! Girl, this is huge! What? What? Oh my god, this is very beautiful specimens. Oh wow, whoa! Oh wow, look at this geometry on this one. Oh, oh. Oh my god, guys, this is so beautiful. Totally, ouch. Okay. Oh, this one is a huge one. Olga, you are, I don't know. I'm lost for words. This is overwhelming. Oh my god, you know what? This is my childhood. When I was little, I was at my friend's house and her mom had this one and I was almost crying because it was so difficult to get and I never got one. And you're sending me one. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna cry soon. Karamkovi Fechinkoi. This is another one I don't recognize. Oh, and so dense it is. So beautiful. So dense and beautiful. This is gonna be pretty. Boar's tail. This one is gonna be a nice one. Can I open it? Nay! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah, look. Me and my boss were talking about this one because we saw it in the store and it was so expensive and I said, oh, we cannot get it. And Olga, you are sending me one. Oh my lord. Are you kidding me? And this is Gasteria. We love Gasteria. Gasterias are good, pretty. Oh, I don't have this one. This one is so pretty. These juicy leaves. Look at this. Juice. Honey, this is juice and we love Gasteria. And we have one more box. Oh. Oh yeah, this is them lavender flowers. Oh really? I love me some lavender. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. Thank you so much. Did you pick it yourself? It's... Oh, I love lavender. You can even sprinkle in your bath. What is this? This is a handmade necklace I made. Oh! No! I know you do a beautiful jewelry. One jewelry you fooled me, I thought it was a real... Oh my god. It's a... Guys, look at this beautiful amethyst. Oh, let me focus. No. Please focus here. This beautiful amethyst, and look what I have in my pocket. I'm carrying amethyst with me all the time. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I have to take it on me.
Oh, I love it. Thank you. Oh my god. Let me see. Sensor or semen. Let me see. Oh my god. This is what you showed me in the video. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh, I am loving it. Oh, I need to switch. I'm beyond myself. Oh, this is the charcoal. Yeah. So this is, guys. So these are the charcoal. You can put it here, and then it's for incense resin. Yes. And we are talking about incense and different. This looks really beautiful. Oh wow! I did not expect so much. And this, oh Cele, oh my god! You are my sister witch. Look at this selenite. Oh, selenite! I do love selenite because it reflects light like nothing else. It's so pretty. Oh, it's cleansing crystal. I love it. You can hold it in your hands. Olga. Too much. So now I know how this one is. Yes. First quality charcoal. Yes. For incense use. Quick lighting. Yes. So you put the charcoal in, and on this burning charcoal you put the resin, and it's good for headaches, for smudging, for cleansing, and I'm so eager to try it. Really? And Olga sent me an instructional video how to do it. I don't even know what to say. This is too much. Olga, my heart is going to you all the way from Sweden, and I really hope I can come to you or invite you to Sweden. All is too much, and I just want to say thank you so much for being so wonderful, and I'm forever grateful that I met you, and YouTube is a fantastic space of beautiful people. And I'm so eager to try this resin. Really? Oh my god.